fuck up, man, or I'll beat the shit out of you.
Alright guys, I know you love a good unboxing video, so I got one for you. Today it's a holster that I won from Cory and Erika. Their subscription appreciation giveaway that they had from Bravo Concealment Holsters for my Smith & Wesson M&P. So let's take a look. Oh, looks like there's a note in here. This is not really a note. Huh, I guess they have a different website or something. What? That doesn't look like a holster. What is... Oh my god. It's a... It's a mask? Cory? Erika? What the Huh. Looks like it has okay, guys. It even has a ball gag. What the fuck? Alright, so that wasn't exactly what I got from Cory and Erika, but I did get one today, and we're gonna go ahead and check it out. It was from their subscriber appreciation giveaway, and I got lucky and got first and got myself a new holster from Bravo Concealment. So, without further ado, what the hell is that? Huh. Look, they forgot to send it. Great. Great. What am I supposed to do with that? Huh? Oh, wait. There it is. Check that out. Is that not badass or what? Bravo Concealment Kydex holster. It's got the belt loops, which are adjustable. Man, that's nice. Ooh, nice. They even smooth the edges, which some of the cheaper holster companies don't do. You just kind of have rough Kydex, like running all the way around to dig into your meaty gut and shit. But that's nice. I like it. I like it a lot. It's got the sweat hole. You can see nobody shot a hole through it yet. Yeah, that's nice. Feels nice. I don't feel any burrs or anything. Feels really good. So, moment of truth. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? How awesome is that? Dude, that is fucking awesome. Thank you, Cory. Thank you, Erika. Dude, that is really fucking awesome, man. I've never really had a real holster. I mean, I've got like the a Phobos and a fucking... Oh, what's the one that asshole shot himself with? Serpa. I got one of those, but those are just kind of jinxy plastic, like, you know, you take them with you when you're at the range or something, but, you know, you can't really do much else with them. I mean, I guess you could, but, man, this is like a Porsche compared to those fucking things. Like, this thing is just Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love you guys so much right now. You have no idea. That is absolutely amazing. That is badass, man. That is just badass. Look at that, how the cut comes down. Don't have to worry about it hitting the fucking mag release at all. Ah, that is just nice. Perfectly matches the trigger guard, so there's no space. You can't get anything in there. Man, that is nice. That is just awesome, guys. Thank you so much. Seriously, thank you. That's gonna go really well with the GIMP mask. Not that I've ever used the two, and never mind. That is nice. The Kydex is 0.06, I believe, inches. Might be 0.09. No, it's 0.06. It's got to be. I'm eyeballing it and really just guessing because I don't fucking know. The belt loops are, what did it say? Hold on, let me look at the website like you guys can do if you really want to do. 0.125 for durability, and those are durable. Those aren't going nowhere. They're not going to get misshapen or anything, and even those are smoothed. Very nice. Nice solid hardware. Good seams all the way around. That's just badass, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now I can't wait to use it. Thanks, guys.